The Optoma UHD35STx is designed to deliver an immersive experience for both gaming enthusiasts and home theater lovers. This short-throw true 4K UHD projector combines high brightness, rapid refresh rates, and extremely low latency, making it a versatile choice for any entertainment setup. With 3,600 lumens, a 240 Hz refresh rate, and a 4 milliseconds response time, it ensures visuals are sharp, vibrant, and fluid, whether you're watching a movie or playing a fast-paced game. The build quality is sleek and modern, with a compact frame that fits comfortably into most rooms. Its short throw capability means it can produce a massive image from just a few feet away. This is particularly advantageous in smaller spaces where mounting distance is limited, yet it still delivers up to a 100-inch display. The combination of size flexibility and powerful output makes it ideal for apartments, gaming dens, or living rooms where space is at a premium. Image quality is the highlight here. True 4K resolution ensures fine details are reproduced clearly, from subtle textures in games to intricate cinematic visuals. HDR support boosts dynamic range, giving you more lifelike colors and realistic highlights. At 3,600 lumens, images remain bright and vivid even in partially lit environments. Contrast is strong for a projector in this price segment, delivering deep shadows and bright highlights that make movies and games feel more immersive. While black levels can't match OLED TVs, they are impressive for projection, maintaining image depth and realism. Gaming performance stands out thanks to the 240 Hz refresh rate and ultra-low 4 milliseconds input lag. Motion is smooth and responsive, reducing blur and making fast-paced games more enjoyable. Competitive gamers will notice a tangible improvement, while casual players enjoy a more fluid, visually engaging experience. Fast-moving action, racing titles, or first-person shooters benefit immensely from this low-latency design. Connectivity options are plentiful. Multiple HDMI ports allow for consoles, PCs, and streaming devices to be connected simultaneously. USB ports add further versatility, and audio output options enable easy integration with soundbars or home theater systems. The remote is intuitive, providing easy access to settings like brightness, color calibration, and image sharpness. Navigation through the menu is straightforward, so fine-tuning visuals doesn't require a steep learning curve. The built-in audio is serviceable for casual viewing, but for a fully immersive experience, pairing with a dedicated sound system is recommended. The short-throw lens is a practical feature, reducing shadows and allowing flexible placement without sacrificing screen size. It's perfect for small to medium rooms and ensures a large cinematic experience without needing a massive space. Overall, the Optoma UHD35STx combines performance, flexibility, and value. It balances brightness, high resolution, and fast response times to create an engaging viewing experience for movies and games alike. Its short-throw design, vivid colors, and smooth motion handling make it a compelling choice for anyone seeking to enhance their home entertainment setup. Whether you want to enjoy cinematic movie nights, stream content in 4K, or experience high-performance gaming, this projector delivers. It's compact, easy to set up, and powerful enough to transform any space into a home theater. For anyone looking to upgrade their viewing experience, it's a strong option that blends quality, performance, and practicality. Check the link in the description to get the Optoma UHD35STx and take your gaming and home theater experience to the next level.